Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame, then does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Monday, but boy, oh boy, would have bounced today. To think that at one point the price literally opened up around 490, dropped down below 490, and then from there just really kind of rocketed upwards and has made quite the move and rocketed upwards to the point of now needing to update this level of resistance from resistance into one of the newer areas of support. And I have no problem saying I was not planning on coming today and doing this and mapping it out as a level of support now, but that just really shows how much of a big move it was. So let's get that update made here, or excuse me, already was made. I should note, as far as can you tell what happens when I get a customer service message right in the middle of a video? Anyways, so it's $5.15. I'm having a case of deja vu because I talked about this a few days ago when the price was back above here, and I kind of gave this whole spiel about, all right, well, the price is up above it, now let's see if the price can actually stay above the break. And I'm going to say the same thing. Yes, the price is once again back up above it, but the big question now going forward is, can the price actually stay up above 515 now, or is history going to repeat itself where the price just totally gets hammered back down in the downwards direction? I don't know, but that's definitely going to be a key question. A lot of people are wondering. I don't bring this up to proclaim it as some sort of brilliant observation on my part. I bring it up because a lot of people are going to be watching this 515 mark, and when a lot of eyeballs are watching a certain level, there can be, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, but there can be, quite a bit of price dynamics that can occur when, a lot of eyeballs are watching a certain area, and 515 is definitely that area where, yeah, not a great discovery on my part. A lot of people are watching it and wondering the same exact thing. Are we going to get a history repeat, or is the price actually going to start to, trend upwards? Now, if in the event the price does drop below 515, not the end of the world, because you still do have this upsloping 50-period simple moving average right there. So as time goes by and that line moves higher and higher, if the price can stay above there, then yeah, eventually that'll overwhelm and take care of the 515 mark. But preferably speaking, yeah, definitely stay above 515. In terms of the sellers, once again, price was rejected from right around the $5.30 mark, give or take. So that's as high as it went today. Not necessarily shocking, given that that's exactly where it was rejected from, back during this other portion of the day. So that's another well-defined area of resistance that, again, a lot of eyeballs are going to be watching. So we'll see what happens with it going forward. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.